Alright guys, so far so good. I hope you're doing well. So far we get product search, titles. Now is the time for the keywords, okay? It's a third component. Alright, so say keywords was the biggest pain for me in the past because I didn't have any clue how to make keywords. I was willing to pay somebody to make keywords for me. Alright, so you don't have to do this because in this video I will gonna show you how to make keywords, crashing keywords, to make your 5-figure, 6-figure income. It's exactly the same method I'm teaching and we are using in my training groups. Watch the video. See you soon.
Guys, I hope you see that this is not difficult. This is very easy actually, all right? Without even going into the details about the titles and about the item research, you can just get the 180-degree panoramic view that this is easy. It's no complicated science there, all right? It's just simple techniques, just some simple things to know, all right? So it's the same with the keywords. Now about the keywords, as I said already in the previous video, that the keywords supporting all your roof, all your construction, all your title. Title is like a billboard, like a roof, and the keywords are kind of like walls, all right? So you have to make walls. If you don't have walls, what's the meaning for the roof, guys? All right? So it's a little bit philosophy, but that's how it is actually. And okay, let's take a look a little bit here. So this is our title, right? We made crashing title. We separate ourselves from and made a better title, the same keywords, because we use those keywords here like socket and leveling, Caesar, Jack, you know, and stuff like this, what the previous seller was using, all right? But we upgraded with extra keywords, with an extra nice keywords. Where did you get the keywords? The question is. The keywords, guys, it's so easy. The keywords you can get on a Google. Just type in on a Google. Google Tools gives you free keywords. Type in socket for leveling Caesar and you will gonna get all sorts of different keywords. Just recommendation from the Google, all right? So it's all kinds of sorts of different sources where you can get those keywords for free. And never ever, that's what I tell to my students, we are not going to pay any keyword tool, because those guys who are paying keyword tool, they are playing with the same keywords. So this is not the way how you make money, guys. You make money by using free tools, absolutely free tools. The great keywords you can take out from the Amazon, okay? From the Amazon listing, where the Amazon is the listing, take out the keywords. Okay, so let's say this is our first keyword. This is our main keyword, which is part of our title. Our main keyword always is going first, always is in the front of our title. Okay, this is our main keyword. The next keyword is here, and the next keyword is here. You can make up to 12 keywords. Depends on how many pictures you put in there, all right? So in the next video, we'll cover this about the pictures, how to connect all together, all right? So, but for now, just make compelling keywords, okay? So those keywords, when you make the main keywords, make sure that when you type those keywords, your main keywords, on the eBay search, that you don't have so much competition. Because if you will have keywords with a lot of competition who use the same keywords, you probably will not gonna sell it. Okay, so you have to be smart. You have to choose correctly the right keywords to have the less competition. Okay, so what else about the keywords? You just do them in yeah, make sense. Let's those keywords make sense. The first 4 keywords, actually 3, 4, 5 longer tail keywords, shorter tail keywords, but not less than 3. Okay, in my case this is like socket for leveling Caesar. Okay, so you can make another like socket for leveling Caesar Jack. Okay, so it goes very easy. It's not rocket science here as well. So the keywords are simple, but keywords are so important to make them right and straight, because remember, those are the walls. They are supporting your roof. This aspect is quite important. Okay, so guys, on the next video, I will show you how we are connecting all this together and how it should connect together to get sales running into our account. Okay, see you in the next video.